Hello friends! Today we're going to learn how to write our stick letters. And by stick letters I mean the letters that have straight lines. Let's get started. Are you ready? First, let's build our letters. Let's build letter T. This is capital T. For this, I use two markers. This is lowercase t. For this letter I used two sticks. This is capital L. And for this, I use clothespins. This is lowercase l. Also, I used clothespins. This is capital I. And I used skewers. Straight line down and two short lines at the top and at the bottom. Then this is lowercase I, and for this I used also a little stick and a bottle cap. It looks like a dot. Very good. Now that I built my letter, I can now trace them with my pointer. Let's do it. Let's trace straight line down and across the top. Let's keep doing it. Straight line down and left to right. Let's do the capital L. Straight line down, left to right. Lowercase l. Straight line down. That's easy. The capital I. Straight line down. Then I go back to the top, left to right. And the bottom, left to right. Here's lowercase I. Line down and a dot. Very good. Now what I can do, I can print my letters in the Play-Doh. So I did one here. Top to bottom, left to right. I want to show you all the letters that I made. T. This is capital L, lowercase l, capital I, and lowercase I. For this, you need some Play-Doh and a toothpick or any stick. Now, I can write them on the board. Let's do it together. Straight line down, then across the top. Hey, that's T. We can stop. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe down and a tie. Down and over. Now I know you can make letter L. Long leg. Straight line down, one across the top, one across the bottom. Inchworm with a knife. Now that I wrote my letters, let's have fun and erase them. So you need some water and a paintbrush and water, of course. Let's do it together. Top to bottom, left to right. Top to bottom, left to right. Down and over. Top to bottom, then I go back, up and down. Let me clean a bit. Top to bottom. And here we are. It's like magic. See, we can have so much fun writing our letters. Now that you are ready, you can grab a paper and a pencil and trace your stick letters. See? And remember to hold your pencil properly. I hope you enjoyed this session. Now it's your turn to write and practice your letters. Enjoy practicing your letters. See you. Bye.